Hyderabad is expanding, but at what cost? A 400-acre forest is the latest victim of development. Let's break it down for you. Kanchagachipoli isn't just land, it's an ecological gold mine, home to over 730 plant species, 233 bird species, and protected animals like wild boars, hares, and monitor lizards. The mushroom rock and other granite formations help recharge groundwater and cool the city. But now it's under attack. On 31st of March, bulldozers rolled in, trees were cut, rocks were smashed. The forest started vanishing overnight.